Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Whoa!
He found it, Buddy.
No way!
Oh my goodness! Oh, Dawn. Whoa, let's get it now.
Hey, Mommy, guess what I got?
Sky? What'd you get? Oh, let me see Sky.
Is Mac in here?
Our house. I think so. Pretty sure. Here we go. Sky. Sky. There you go.
Amelia, come and see how many stuff.
Oh, come and see how many stuff she had.
There's a clicker up here on the top of the TV. Yeah, yep, that's the one. What do you need? Oh, no, I'm just grabbing another one.
She got Easter house this year, didn't she?
Okay. Everybody dig in. Yeah.
That here, beautiful, usual.
I can't close it.
What, darling? What, honey? Shows Mr. Ernie. Look at this shirt. Remember when you told me? He had surgery. Hold on.
Can't close the tank.
Just wait. Don't worry. It's now at night.
I know. Mom, my leg, that's why I'm trying to
I'll have to sleep it.
Here,
He had surgery, see?
Fixed it.
He had a orthopedic surgery. Screw post. And he had a seizure.
Where are we eating?
Fell straight to his knee.
Wait,
On the
over here.
top floor, there. Fractured this, and everything was fine. They fixed it, but now this isn't normal.
This is yours right here.
oh, this one?
I'm
Oh,
trying to grow it out, so
Yeah, mine.
it's not short. It's too, yeah, it's too short to pull back.
Yeah.
So I got this weird, nothing matches. What, honey?
I didn't put it down.
No, honey, move wait. That's not yours. No, it's not yours. Just wait. I know.
So you didn't like the water?
is that a drink?
We're all set.
It's hot. It's hot. I love it.
Matt, you hungry?
You know what to remind Amelia?
You hungry yet? Where's Lucy?
You know Frozen? Here, Amelia has this mountain. Yeah. I love my cars.
Let's. You hungry now, Matt? You gotta wait. You gotta wait, okay?
We got it.
All right?
Oh, that's the neighbors. I'm like, what's that noise?
Huh?
I think it's the numbers.
Grandma, no, you're not gonna sit.
Is it hot, please?
You're gonna sit next to me.
Are you hungry, Matt? Okay, look at your plate.
This is yours.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. This is me.
Yes.
Inside. Look inside.
Look inside.
I love avocado.
I love horses and avocados. They
There you
go
go.
together.
No, avocado.
I do remember that.
Mia, did you want to try some of the marshmallow stuff this year?
Remember the horse we made here and we named it avocado?
I know. You are? How? Okay. I think you'll like it.
Come here, Matt, honey.
Oh, I'm not even done getting thank you.
Matt, come on.
I'll let you go to some.
Come on.
You.
All right.
You want to do your card now?
Yeah, I saw it earlier something.
Forgot?
I saw it earlier.
No, that's the ranch.
Here, I got this glass for Matt. I don't
What,
know.
baby? Okay.
Oh, you said.
Yeah, and I'm gonna move it. I don't want Matt to move her. Where do you want me to move it to? You sure?
Okay, bye, Sam.
Oh. I love the cars. They're beautiful.
Did you use your green beans?
That one.
Bye.
That one.
Chris.
Where do you want to sit? Oh, we didn't extend the table.
That's okay. That's what he usually does.
It's open? Oh, it's open?
What's the matter, Mia?
Here, sit where you want to sit.
What, honey?
We're out for a minute. Actually, yeah.
What's the matter?
Why are you upset? What happened?
About really vibes.
Yeah?
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that, darling.
That's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I will. Of course I will.
There's one that says Grandma Dawn on it.
Sorry, honey. I didn't know that.
Oh, she look, yours has a little heart. You see that?
And this one's yours.
Matt,
Yes, I read it.
Matt, Mia made you an Easter egg.
Oh.
Oh, did you hear? He went, ooh. Did you hear Matt? He went, ooh. I'm sorry, honey. I didn't. I thought she made me besides avocado. I thought she made me an egg too.
Oh.
I didn't know for you. Yeah, that's what he went. Ooh. That was so
He was so happy.
Taking it in. Yeah.
Are you gonna try it?
It's so wonderful.
There you go.
This one's my
What happened?
It's delicious, man.
It tastes sweet.
His was the first
Oh, is it hot?
Oh, I thought you needed to make. You weren't here the other day. We were here. We made this horse. We drew a horse. She named it Avocado. Don't ask me why. So,
Because Mia said its head looked like an off.
okay. So she drives a horse and names it Avocado. She remembered. She's so smart.
I think it's in the pantry. I'm gonna have to look.
Are you looking for me?
This is Alex.
Apple juice.
Alex needed help investing in savings. With his advisor Dennis, he opened 3 accounts. One for now, one for later.
Oh,
of
you're
course,
baking
for
your
retirement.
bread,
More than
huh?
big goals for
Yeah,
his
you
future.
have to try it.
Alex is
Lighter,
like
huh?
Yeah, I
Kellogg's
took them out.
cereal.
Bread was
Sugar, salt, malt.
so delicious.
That's
I took them out and did
vitamins and minerals. And ice cold.
Some couples come red, others stick with me forever. Stories told about tailgates that never end, strangers becoming best friends. Yeah, it's all that and some. This is Texas. It's not just the race, it's the in which you found secret. Coming to once you get back, get tickets to Cheryls and
Thank you so much.
Same day delivery. But your
You got that?
Yeah, later.
Oh, actually.
Very good.
I went to New Hampshire. Up in
Just be careful because they bend down and break.
I have these types too. And never leave the straws inside. There's no break. One time I was being lazy and I left it in like my lemonade.
Oh, you didn't? I didn't even realize that's what you were doing.
What was you doing?
Slicing the rest of the ham.
What?
And there was already.
I got it. That was you get to
That's the thing. I didn't realize that's what you were doing. I thought,
It's okay.
I would have said so.
I'm like, how many does he have been eating already?
You got chocolate milk?
I'm like, I didn't get going already. I like mine. So crazy.
If I were to build it, I would get in a cup.
Chill out.
Did you make the place? It's really good. Oh, I forgot. What? Mom?
The gummy things.
Yes, I know about the gummy things. I actually had a sour one. They make sour ones. And I had one. It was
Here, Maddie, come in here.
But I didn't have the sour.
Here. Come here.
There was 3 left. 3 left. That's how much I ate.
Come on, honey. You eat. Come on, eat.
Yeah, the ham's really good too. I don't even need to plate.
It's always good.
Did you see
so you can see it. Here,
How many is over?
Oh yeah, let me
Here, bring this in here. Just stand there,
Did
stand
everybody see the sign?
there. Here, I'll move it. Press it right in front of him.
My favorite.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Here, Maddie, sit here.
I'm teasing.
Sit here and eat.
Oh, make sure you
He just couldn't take his focus off. That's a good boy. Yeah, I'll put him right back up.
Really, seeing hard.
Wow.
I'm good. I like. Oh, that's so good. I like to draw. It's just like I feel like the project should be Is that a heart?
I drawn the heart before.
Some people just aren't artists.
So it's like.
Yeah, I like to do it more than drawing. Just preference.
Yeah.
She didn't tickle me. Oh, stop it. I'm gonna tickle you there.
I'll take a lot that's overcooked.
I'll take a lot that's overcooked.
What's overcooked?
There's one bread that Laurel kind of overcooked, but Leah really loves it.
Yeah,
I thought it was good too.
Yeah. Sometimes it's just.
So everybody wants to eat that one.
Yeah, it was fine.
I tried your cinnamon roll bread. Yeah. You know what's really good
That
on
was
top
nut
of
roll,
it?
honey.
Oh, nut roll? Honey. If you drizzle a
Sit
little
down.
honey on it, it's really good.
Stay there.
The thing I really liked were those pink pops.
Yeah, that's the first time I've ever had a cake pop. So I don't know how it tastes compared to other cake pops.
Oh, you mean cake pops?
Yeah,
They're just a pain in the ass for me.
they were.
Really? Isn't it just adding like melted butter?
It's paintball on a
The
stick.
recipe, the batter's the same as cake pop. You just have to make them in like muffin tins, right? Or
No, they
make it a
don't
cake
hold
pop.
together.
That might
How I've seen
Some of
some
them you
people
just
do
crumble the
it.
cake
Yeah,
and
then
then roll it.
it's kind of cool.
And guess who's gonna eat all the candy? Grandpa.
Yeah, let's take her basket.
Yep. So you better eat.
I
Here
still
we
have
go.
that
All
video
your candy belongs to Grandpa.
of you guys trying to convince me to eat food. Oh, I really gotta pull this out. Hold on.
Harvey said
It was like you guys were saying,
it would make your eyes sweet bread. Did you cut down?
Yeah, he's just
you guys were really trying to convince me to eat food. I think I slightly remember that.
Eating the cheese.
Plate.
I have some over here.
Oh,
Oh, right.
I was saying, Mom.
Yeah, I would say stars.
Salt?
I still got the video.
Here, Mom. Take that.
Yeah.
I didn't know. She pulled it out here and cut off the mat.
It's already cut. I'm just saying.
Did she do that? Cut down?
I did, but then I cut a bunch.
Oh, okay. She pressed. I think I heard it.
Yes. Hold on, I want to show you.
Here we go, guys. Back to the table.
Let's go see the
Amelia says, I can fall for that again.
And then,
It says
the old video that you gave me dancing.
When did they?
It's just me dancing silly.
Yeah.
Remember that rocking chair? Oh my goodness. Look, if you do it like kind of better, you can see what I've done. Look. It's like me dancing. We have a lot. I have a whole